let's write code for the lightning. Click on lightning sprite, and let's start with when green flag is clicked, and we need to first hide the lightning, because the lightning should appear only when my hand is up. So hide it, then perhaps we may reduce the size of the lightning slightly smaller, like 70%. Then we need a forever loop. Okay, then we need two variables to store x and y coordinate values from the trained model to locate my left wrist. So click on variables, make a variable x, make a variable y. Here, we don't need to show those values. So unclick, uncheck x and y. Alright, then set x value as the value from the post detection after finding x coordinate of my left wrist. Okay, then right click, duplicate, oh no, not that one, no, this one, duplicate hold together, set y, find y coordinate of my left wrist. Okay, after setting x and y, we need if then block to check whether my hand is up or not. So how do you know my hand is up or not? If y value is greater than, I should say, 0, then it's like my hand is on the top. So the operator greater than, if y value is greater than 0, then what I need to do is move the lightning to the location where trained model tells where my left wrist is. So go to variables x and y. Then this is something very important. You need to create the lightning object. So we are using the clone command. So cloning command is here under control, down there, create clone of myself. So myself is lightning. So create a clone of the lightning. Then you specify what to do when a lightning is created. So here what we need to do is, the first thing to do is we need to show it because it was hidden before. So show the lightning. Then you need to specify the direction to move. So right, so here point in direction, and if you click the number, you'll see where you can put the direction should be going down. Alright, okay, let's move slightly up. Okay, then you also need to think when you stop moving, when you make the lightning go down, down, down until it hits the bottom. So in that case, we need repeat until it hits the bottom. So we need repeat until, right? So we need to make it keep moving down, because we set the direction going down and move 10 steps for each iteration until it hits the edge. How do you know that? Yes, click on sky blue sensing, select touching the edge. So repeat, moving 10 steps down, so the lightning will go down, down, down until it touches the edge. If it hit the edge, you need to delete the clone. You need to make it disappear. So actually you are deleting the clone. So Control, then delete this clone. Okay, let's test it by clicking the green button, and I'll make it slightly bigger. Yeah, it seems it's working, not perfectly. So one thing, the direction of the lightning is not correct. So how do you change it? We need to rotate it. So to rotate it, we need click on motion, then there must be something like rotation. Okay, set rotation style as left to right. Okay, let's test once more. Okay, now the right direction. Okay, another issue is the color of the lightnings. So we have 3 different colors, but it's showing only the last one, white one. So we need to call the next costume whenever we create the clone. So it should be under looks, select next costume before you create the clone. Okay, let's test whether we can see all those 3 different colors. Yep, I see 3 different colors. Now I'd like to introduce the sound, the thunderstorm sound. So click on sound, click on choose a sound, type thunderstorms. Let's test whether that's the right sound. Okay, then go back to code tab and click on sound, and we have a command start sound thunderstorm. So before creating the clone of myself, I'll start to play. Okay, let's test. Yeah, it works. Okay, almost all set, but there's one thing, the repeat until condition. Actually, there are 2 cases when you make the lightning clone disappear. The first, when it hits the edge, or when it hits the ghost. Okay, so the condition should be 2. That means we need to introduce the OR condition. OR condition, so the first condition is the lightning is hitting the edge. The second case is the lightning is touching the ghost. Here's the ghost. Okay. So the lightning should go down, down, down until it hits the edge or touching the ghost. Okay, let's test once more. So, let's test by moving this. If you see, If it hits the ghost, it disappears. Okay, I think it's all set.